This is how you will receive your new tank. Remove this black cap. The media is already preloaded for you, so you didn't have to worry about that. Unscrew this, set it aside for later. You might need it some other day, you never know. Make sure you keep it. Red cap, pull it off. Take some food grade silicone, put it around here. This keeps it so that it doesn't leak. It gives it a watertight seal. Take your head, put it back on. Make sure you are at, that you're level when you're screwing this back on so you don't cross thread it. Then put your tank in place where it belongs. Line it up with your bypass. Attach these. Only hand tight usually is all you need to do. Your system is now put back together. Slowly turn your water on. Fill your tank slowly. Let the fines run out. Usually you use a bathtub or an outside spigot, and you're done.